All right, this is a continuation for section 1.4. I got one more example that I want to work, and so let's get to it. So the quadratic formula, remember the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, but in order to use this, we do have to have our quadratic equation in standard form, where we have everything on one side of the equation equal to 0 in decreasing order. So I need to move this negative 1 over. In order to do that, we're going to add 1. So we've got 5x squared plus 3x, and then we move that over, we're going to get a positive 1. Make sure you change the sign when it comes across the equal sign. And then we're just going to plug in here. So we've got our a, we've got our b, and we've got our c. So just plugging in the quadratic formula, b is 3. Let me go ahead and highlight those. So we're just going to plug in. So we get negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times our a is 5 and c is 1 all over 2a. And then now we just need to simplify this. So we've got negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared is 9. And then negative 4 times 5 is 20 times 1 is 20. So we get 9 minus 20. And then in the denominator, we get 10. Make sure you pay attention to your signs. The most common mistake on this is to lose a sign in here. So 9 minus 20 is negative 11. And remember, anytime we have a negative under a square root, the first thing we want to do is to write that as an I. And then that's as simple as we can go here. Make sure you don't try to cancel anything out that you can't factor out of all of the terms, and you can't cancel anything under a radical with something that's not under a radical. All right, that finishes up section 1.4. I hope you guys have a good day.